how to wax your underarms at home. Once you choose the wax you would like to use and have melted it down to a honey-like consistency, you are going to go in with a pre-treatment to remove any oils on the skin. We need the skin to be completely dry for the wax to stick to it. When applying the wax, we are going to go in thin, even layers, holding the stick at a 45-degree angle and applying the wax in the same direction as hair growth. Once the wax is dry, we are going to pull in a smooth, even motion. You can always apply some baby powder if you start to get a little sweaty because the skin needs to stay dry for the wax to stick. You can apply hard wax over the area multiple times since hard wax sticks to the hair and not the skin. Hold your skin as taut as you can by leaning your arm back to get a less painful pull. Once you are done waxing, apply a post-wax treatment, and then you are good to go with smooth underarms for the next 4 to 6 weeks.